you're wondering, I mean, you clicked on this video because you're wondering whether you should buy the beauty of Joeson Dynasty cream, I'm about to tell you. Let's just talk about the fact that this is the heaviest packaging of all time. It is actually glass. When you open this bottle, jar, Y is silent, J is silent, J is Y. When you open this jar, it smells like nothing. Literally nothing. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, you're gonna want this because it is fragrance free and essential oil free. And it shows, it smells like nothing. Nothing. Cruelty free, by the way, guys. I don't think this is vegan, but it is cruelty free. Key ingredient on this one is ginseng. Ginseng. This was the very first product that they ever came out with. It has rice bran water, ginseng water, squalene, niacinamide. It's packed with really good ingredients. I don't know how they make it so cheap because I think it's like $19. Let me just check. $24. You can get it on sale on iHerb for like 19 bucks. And guys, they give you a lot of product. They give you 50 milliliters of product. Let's just talk about this. 50 milliliters of product, you're paying $2 an ounce, right? No, hold on, that's not right. I didn't do the math right. You're paying 48 cents an ounce, and you wanna know why this is relevant? Because gold is $1,900 an ounce. And I would pay, okay, I wouldn't pay $1,900 an ounce for this, but the point is that it is so good, I'm like comparing it to gold, kind of. Kind of, not really. Kind of, not really. Not really. But it's good. I'll tell you why. Because let me actually show you this. Let me show you this in azione. When you put it on the skin, it's like a gel. It's like a mix between a gel and a cream. But when you put it on the skin, it literally melts into the skin right away. I just want to put on more, honestly, guys. Ooh. It's not oily. It's not greasy feeling. And when I wake up the next morning, my skin feels plump. Like it feels juicy. It feels like it's ready to take on foundation or sunscreen or whatever I'm gonna put on during that day. My skin feels like a glazed donut. It feels like a glazed donut. I love putting this under makeup. A little bit of oil. If you guys like using serums, a little bit of serum, a little bit of this, a little bit of sunscreen, and you got the perfect base. Primer who, this is all you need to get the perfect base. So here's the thing though, I've been reading reviews and people with oily skin saying this is not oil free, this is breaking me out, blah, blah, blah. So depending how sensitive you are, I would say if you are really oily and really sensitive, I don't think this is gonna be for you. Probably gonna wanna use the rice bean water gel. I actually did an entire review on the rice bean water gel for my oily skin girls and boys. I will link that right over here if you guys wanna see it, but that one's gonna be for you more than this because this is gonna be for my dry, normal skin girls. Combo if you wanna put it in like certain areas that you know you won't break out, but who's this gonna be right for? It's gonna be right for someone that has like more normal dry skin. But look at how good my skin looks. Guys, I'm not wearing foundation. This is just moisturizer. Whoa. It gives such a nice sheen to the skin. If you guys are after a luxury product that does not have a luxury price tag, this is a pretty good option. My Aesop cream is $90 and it has less product than this. And this does a pretty similar job. Like pretty good job. My skin, holy moly. My skin looks like I'm wearing foundation. I'm just wearing moisturizer. I mean, I don't wanna just like pass it all off and being like, it's all the moisturizer's doing. My skin has been really good lately, especially because I'm tanned and because I've been taking supplements. I actually wanna make an entire review on those supplements that I'm taking because my hair, I mean, it's up right now, but my hair has gotten really thick. After COVID, I don't even wanna say it because you know how YouTube be, but after that, I lost hair. I was like, am I experiencing female pattern baldness? Listen, it happens. I thought I was going through it, but no, it was just that my hair growth hadn't like come back in, and I've been using this supplement from Moon Juice. Okay guys, I don't know if you've heard of this company, they sell it at Ulta. I take 4 pills a day, and fish oil as well, and elderberry because I need to wash down the taste, so I kind of just like use an elderberry gummy. Anyway, point is that my hair, I am telling my friends and family about it. My hair is so much thicker, kind of like up at the top, not at the bottom because that hasn't grown out yet. My hair is just amazing. So I'm gonna do a whole review on that. Actually, I'll just link it down below if you're interested because this was the review. This was the review. No, I'll link it down below, but I'll also make another video. Anyways, back to the subject. Subject being this little bad boy that I just took out of my pocket is it's a miracle worker. I love to use this with the oil. They have an oil beauty of Joeson. I'll put it right here. I put the oil on first. I put this cream on second, and my skin is a dream. I wake up and my skin is so soft and like still moisturized. Like it's kind of sitting at the top, but it's also kind of sunk in. So all the layers are really feeling the fruits of my labor from the night before. It is so good. So good and so inexpensive. So if you are curious to see how the red bean water gel works for all my oily skin babies, then I will leave a link to that video right over here, because this is gonna be more for your dry skin type of a girl. So should you get it? Yeah, if you need a new moisturizer, get it. If you don't have a moisturizer and you need to re-up, absolutely get it, especially if you are dry and you are sensitive and you're looking for something that's cruelty-free, and I think that you should get it. If you're gonna get it just for the sake of it, I hate doing that on this channel. I hate being like, run out, buy it right now, you need it, because like, we don't really, I don't know. Do we really need it? We're living in the age of consumerism, okay? And it's too much. It's too much when people tell you, buy this, buy this, buy this. I don't think you need it, but if you are on the hunt for a moisturizer, you're gonna get one anyway, okay, but if you already have 3 moisturizers in your shelf, use that first. This can wait. This will always be waiting for you, honey. You don't have to rush out and buy it, okay? Yeah, so hopefully this has been helpful, because if you're on the fence about whether you should get it or not, I think you should if you need it. Good luck on your shop. I'll leave a link down below if you want to shop this moisturizer, but other than that, I will see you guys next week. Peace.